How to fix TikTok draft video problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the draft video problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find TikTok and click on it. Now you have to click on this force stop option and go to the internal storage, click on clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details, click on the app launch, and then enable this option here of manage automatically and click OK. Go back and now you have to open the Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure to update it into the latest version. You can do the same thing on the iOS iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.